Sing it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, I was so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Sydney, you have to sing. Caitlin's singing too. Okay, Sydney, you gonna sing with?
No,
How about a different song?
no. Oh, McDonald.
Okay, go.
Oh, McDonald, handsome pants. Ori, ori, ori.
Is that how it goes?
Yes. No.
How does it go, Sydney?
No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't.
Whose birthday is it today?
No, it's not mine.
Yes, it is.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
It's not Mommy's birthday, it's
Yes, it is.
Sydney's birthday. How old are you gonna be, Sid?
It's my birthday.
5?
No.
How old are you gonna be?
3.
3.
What is my mommy doing?
She's downstairs fixing the sink.
No, she's not.
She's not?
No, I saw her before her driving down the road.
Oh. Are you sure it was your mom or somebody that had a car like your mom?